As we've mentioned in other modules, having an example to implement one-piece flow can be helpful. Having a model can sometimes be even more helpful. In this module, we will introduce 8 steps that will help you implement one-piece flow. Let's get started. Step 1 is offer everyone information about the change. Teach everyone the fundamentals of lean manufacturing, just-in-time, pull systems, waste removal, and every other continuous improvement principle you can think of. We strongly suggest having multiple 5S events to gain excitement. Step 2 is to normalize your preparation. Walk the Gemba first, then analyze your value stream with tools like a current state value stream map or even a process map. Begin to put wheels, sliders, casters, or other tools to make your equipment mobile on. One more thing to do in your preparation is to select a line, cell, or value stream to implement one-piece flow on. This will act as a benchmark for others as you work out various obstacles. Step 3 is to excite the idea of one-piece flow. Show examples of one-piece flow versus batch manufacturing. Give an overview of one-piece flow to everyone and commit to implementing one-piece flow. Next is step 4. Place equipment in sequence. Now it's time to transition from planning to doing. Start to put your equipment into a sequence according to the process flow. Then step 5, introduce cells. Begin to set up U-shaped cells in your organization. Step 6 is to begin to establish multi-process steps and operations. This is where you should really focus on cross-training, getting people mobile, and giving people the skills they need to help their organization be flexible. Step 7 is a focus on creating standards that everyone can work to. Keep things simple, concise, and understandable. Begin the process of standardization with methodologies like standards. Finally, step 8 asks us to ensure that everything is synchronized. You need to make sure that people, process, and information flow together. This and implementing techniques like level production, line balancing, Kanban, and takt time will enable you to match market demand. These 8 steps are a great place to start implementing one-piece flow and moving in the direction of a fully functional pull system. Now, before you go, let's stretch our minds a little bit by answering the following question in the comments section or your upcoming assignment section. What conditions do you feel would be the most important for you to implement in your one-piece flow journey, and why? We look forward to reading and interacting with your answers, and we'll see you in the next module.